I'm Sultan.
Sultan, all right? And
Yeah.
where are you calling me from?
I'm calling you from Saudi Arabia.
Oh, you're calling me from Saudi Arabia. All right. So, how are you, Sultan? And
I'm great.
good. Is it morning or afternoon?
It's morning,
It's morning. All right.
10 a.m.
10 a.m. All right. Okay.
Yeah.
So, good morning, Sultan. Welcome to our 13
Thanks a lot.
minutes. Okay, we have 13
Yes, you have
minutes.
13 minutes.
So, what would you like me to? What would you like us to talk about? Uh, Conversations?
Uh, yes, conversation.
All right.
And I think I should give my brief introduction first.
All right. Go on.
So, yes. So, my home country is Pakistan, and I moved to Saudi Arabia 1 year ago.
All right.
I'm a teacher by profession. The subject I teach is English,
All right. That's good.
and I live here with my family,
Okay.
and that's all.
Okay, that's all. So you're from Pakistan and you're
Exactly.
teaching English in Saudi Arabia. Wonderful.
Hmm.
Wonderful. That's a good. I hope to be like you someday. Maybe I come to Saudi to teach English as well. All right. So I'll be taking advanced topics because I think as an English teacher, you should be above like,
Mhm,
yeah, I wouldn't start from basics, actually.
mhm.
All right. So I'm taking the topic family dynamics. Family
Okay.
dynamics. All right. Is your immediate family very close?
Can you explain the question a little bit?
All right. Fantastic.
In what way close?
Good question. So, close basically means close, not physically, not just physically,
Mhm,
but
mhm,
emotionally. Like, for example, in my family, we are not, we are somewhat close. I can talk to my
mhm,
sister. My sister tells me things and all of that. So we are close.
mhm.
That's what it means. All right.
So whether you get along with your family members or not,
Fantastic.
this
Yeah.
is the question.
Yeah. That's the question. It has to do with communication, which we'll see in the second lesson.
Yes, I am close with my family because my parents passed away. So I have five siblings, five sisters.
Okay.
So I just keep calling them every now and then,
Okay.
and I try to remain in touch with them.
That's good. That's good. That's good.
Mhm.
And number two, do you have frequent communication or interactions with your extended family? Now, not just your immediate now, your uncles, aunts, cousins.
Yes, I have communication and interaction with them, but not as frequent.
Not as frequent.
Uh, yes.
Hmm.
So I call them once a month, maybe.
Once a month. All right. All right.
Yeah.
So, in your family, do you think everyone has a different role?
Uh, exactly.
Exactly.
It depends on the person's age. So according to that age, that person plays a specific role. For example, if you are a parent, a father,
All right.
so you have a lot of responsibility on your shoulders. You
Yeah.
have to take care of whole family.
Sure. Sure. Yeah, that's true.
Yes.
That's true. Yeah, I like your example as the father. The father has to
Mhm.
take care of everyone and all of that. Okay, now let's move forward. Now, do you think your family has good family dynamics?
Yes, I think that my family has good family dynamics because when I compare my family with other families, I think that we are very fortunate
Hmm,
that we have that connection, that love, that
that's
respect,
good.
which other people don't
That's
have
great. That's great.
in their families.
That's great. That's great. So, do you have a big extended family? How many people are in your extended family?
I won't say that we have a big extended family because I did not see or meet my grandparents.
All right.
So Yes, and even most of my aunts and uncles have passed away.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
All right, all right, all right. Thanks for sharing. So,
Mhm.
do you live in a nuclear family household or an extended family household at the moment?
As I told you that I don't have a brother. I have five
Yes.
sisters, and all are happily married. So I live with my nuclear family with my wife.
All right, it's your wife. All right.
Mhm.
Now, what do you think are the challenges a single parent family may face?
There are many challenges because even if both the parents are present, even in that situation, they have to face a lot of challenges, difficulties, and
Hmm.
problems because raising a child is not easy, it's complicated. It requires a lot of effort and concentration, care.
Yes, 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 yes. I agree with you. So it's not easy, right?
Yes, it's tough.
Thank you very much. Now, do you know anyone who has a step family?
In my social circle, I think I don't know anyone who has the step family.
Okay, okay. You don't know anyone.
Mhm.
Oh, all right,
Yeah.
all right, all right. Okay, let's go forward. Now, how do you usually communicate with your family members? Do you call, text, email, face to face?
When I was in Pakistan, so obviously we used to have one-to-one conversation.
All right.
Sometimes they visited us, sometimes we would go to their house. But now, since I moved to Saudi Arabia, we have been communicating through cell phone or calls
Yeah, we're communicating.
or text
We're
messages.
communicating through cell phones, so calls. I want to introduce you to another expression. It's called VI. VI.
Why?
VIA. We've been communicating via calls and text messages. So via is like a preposition, although I don't know if you've seen it somewhere before. It's common.
Yes,
Okay,
I
go. Yeah.
yes, I am familiar with it, but I sorry for interruption. Actually, I used to pronounce it or articulate it as via.
Ah, okay. Okay, that's good. So some
Yes.
people say via, and some people say vi.
Uh-huh.
I think both are
Okay.
acceptable. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So the via, via anyone, both are acceptable. All are acceptable.
Okay.
All right.